Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna do a demo about my illustration, a sunset mountain view with a student in the middle of it. So I'm gonna get my four references from Pinterest. So well, so for the four references which I got from Pinterest, I'm gonna fuse the references into one so I can make this illustration. And I'm also going to show you how it's done. So in here I have four references. First of all, there is a silhouette man pointing, and then a student which I got from Pinterest, so I can reference the the outfit and the colors. And in the third image, the third reference which I get from the sky, the birds, stars, mountains, and in the fourth reference uh, is the tree, which is this tree. But I changed the color so with the it fits with the other elements. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the ground. The ground which I use in the shape tool, the rectangle, and I changed the color in here with a gradient linear fill here, and I got the colors from this color reference. And then the trees, you got it, is from this reference. But I changed the color so it fits with the other elements and the atmosphere, which I made with the pen tool. So first of all, it was a rectangle which I got from the shape tool here, and then I added it with the pen tool, which you double click the object, and then there are some of these dots which you can move around like this. See, the you can move around the dots, which also change the shape. And next is the student in the middle. I reference with two images. This image, and this image. And I also make the shadow, which I just duplicate the shape and then turn it into a black fill. And then I stretch the object, the shadow object, so it can fit to be a shadow. And also I turn the shadow too. So I made this with also the pen tool and the shape up tools. So before it was like a hand, it was a rectangle, but I shaped it with the pen tool so it looks like a hand. And then I smoothed up the shape with the corner radius so the shape will look smooth. Next up is the mountains. So the first mountain is I reference from here, the second mountain I reference from here, and the third mountain I reference from here, which I put a little pile of snow. I reference it from here in all one image, and the fourth mountain is also from here. And also the birds here, these simple looking birds, I also reference from here. The sun, I also reference from here, but I add a little a little blur from the effect. The clouds I also reference from here, but I look at the clouds at the reference. It's a bit simple. It's a bit too simple. So I change the clouds with the pen tool so it look more detailed. The sky I also reference in this one image. I got the colors from this color reference, and the last is the stars, which I also use in this reference. So I think uh, I think that's all from my illustration demo. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.